What up, though? It's your boy, Larry Smith Jr. And people be hitting me up like, hey, B, get that shit off your mind. What you think about the CIU? And thank you, CIU, for letting Larry Smith Jr. out and the rest of those gentlemen. I'm hopeful that they let out Charles Wilson, right? Charles Wilson, same guy testified against me, testified against him. Not only that, it's evidence to support that he's not the person that they even said, by their own records and documents. So what I think about the CIU, I think the CIU got their hands full. I think it's a lot of innocent people here in Michigan. I think that there's a lot of innocent people here in Wayne County. I think that a lot of people catching a bad break based on the rules. What they call EPA, the Anti-Effective Death Penalty Act, many of us call it AEDPA, which, when people file their appeals, it creates a stringency. It creates, they got these rules of finality. And that finality, when it's applied to a case on the federal level, or that you didn't meet these criteria, or either you applied this and boom. So what, down in the Wayne County, they talk about what's called a 6500 motion. And once you file the issue, you don't get a second chance or a third chance at a bite at communicating it effectively. So even if you file the evidence in front of the horriblest people on the planet, due to the fact that it was filed, and even though they didn't even read it, look at it, pay it any attention, and it was denied, now you can't file it. And it's like, well, why wouldn't you look at evidence that would support a person's innocence when the people who was beforehand didn't do it? And actually, that's the purpose of a conviction integrity unit, to go back and look at these convictions. So when people ask me, how do I feel that you need an oversight. Like if you had 5 straight up exonerated that sat on the side that had degrees or paralegal degrees, and they go over some of those cases, I bet you they would show where these people is innocent. And I just believe that it's just such a difficult task because they're looking at the money, the monetary perspective. Well, I'm talking about Kim Worthy, I'm talking about the city, I'm talking about the county, those people. And that's what's making it difficult for innocent people to get released. So when you ask me what I think about a CIU, I think it's a wonderful thing. I think that you got an issue though. You got Kim Worthy heading one where I'm from. But thank you again. 10 toes down, salute. Free to innocent, free to over sentence, free to medically frail. I know it's not October. Yeah, salute. What up, though? It's your boy, Larry Smith Jr. Get that shit up off my mind. A friend of mine said, hey, Larry, right here it said that Kim Worthy responsible for letting you out of prison. She is, but also she got the responsibility for Tamara Washington. She got the responsibility for William Wiley and some other great people just right here in the Wayne County area. Nah, well, Larry, that's not your issue. What you gonna get involved in that for? Because I put her on the phone with Tamara Washington, August 24th, 2021. You can ask a whole bunch of other people that was present. They'll tell you, Kim Worthy told her that she was gonna take care of business. She didn't. How could I even hold this person in any type of regard when I'm supposed to be holding this person accountable? So on accountability prospects, the number one on my list would be Kim Worthy to live up to what you told Tamara Washington. So that's what I'm calling upon you, and I'm asking you, hey, Kim Worthy, we about to enter December. It's been like 2 years plus. You didn't live up to what you said. I got you on that list. You know the list. You on that list. And I'm going to be getting at you every time I get an opportunity to notify the public, because you're leaving somebody in prison for a crime they didn't commit. You're well aware of it. You've been put on notice under 3.8. Ooh, in reality, Kim Worthy, you in trouble if the law ain't mean anything, because you should have let that lady go, or either did an investigation and let it be seen. But you did neither. So you get the no award. We don't celebrate y'all.